Hey guys, welcome back to another Wristwatch Wednesday. Today we have a more modern budget watch, and this is the Timex Expedition. This is supposed to be your woodsy hunting type watch. Awesome watch, really. This one is what I would call the more budget side, and you can get these in all kinds of finishes. You know, some gunmetal cases, you know, brass case, whatever, you name it. It comes in about anything you want. This one is a resin case, so this is 100% plastic, very, very lightweight. If you're into lightweight watches, check this one out. This is about like that Casio I reviewed a few weeks back. I would say it's built about the same as that with a little bit bigger dial. This has a canvas band on top, but it is leather on back, as you can see there, for a little more comfort. Adjustable band up to 8 inches. It does have a screw down back, which I was shocked on these Timexes. Most of those are push down. That one's a screw down like a lot of the Casios are, so maybe they're adopting that. It does have the Indiglow function, and I will put that put an overlay in for that, because that one, that's probably my favorite thing about this watch is the Indiglow. It really lights up and really shows that watch face very well. Let's get some details on this one. Let's get a case size. We're about 40 millimeters. Let's get a lug to lug. We're about 46 millimeters, and then the lug width I'm going to guess is about 20. Let me see if I can get in here without bumping the camera. Yeah, the lug width's about 20. Let's get the case width. That case width is about 11.5. So it's a little bit thicker. A lot of those are about 10, but not too bad. You know, this one is it's your basic Expedition, was what it comes down to. I would say your most budget Expedition. You know, it's got a date function and a time function and a second hand, and that's about it, along with the Indiglow. The Indiglow, I think, is what makes this watch. So if you're out camping, you camp a lot, you don't have a lot of lights active, this may be the watch for you with that Indiglow. That's really, I would say, the best thing about this watch. Again, a lot of tradition with this. Let's go over some of the features. It does have an adjustable 20 millimeter band. I think it goes up to an 8-inch wrist. It has this black dial with full Arabic numerals that's all in white. Our date window, like I said, shows at the 3 o'clock position, and we can use these inner numbers for the 24-hour dial if you want to get your military or universal type time. It is water resistant up to 165 feet or 50 meters. Really, that's just short-term water exposure, light swimming. I wouldn't go diving or snorkeling in this for sure. It will ruin this watch. Some of the other small details of these watches is they put the E Expedition logo on either side of the band, and it may be hard for you to see, but it's also right here on the end of the buckle. And here we are on the wrist, guys. I have about a 7 1/4 to 7.5 inch wrist, somewhere in between there. And this one looks good, fits good, not too big, not too small. Good on the wrist. But that's all we have about it, guys, today. Classic tradition in a newer, a little more budget setup. This one's the all black resin case. Specs in the video. I think that's all we have for this time. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.